How to redeem Macy's gift card online. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then move into the site macys.com. It will land you on the official page of Macy's. Once you are in here, enter a specific password and email and then log into your account. It will land you on this page. Now head over to any of the section at the top and then move into the product that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy this product. Tap on Add to Bag. Review the order that you have made and then click on Checkout. Well, in this page, you will find the option where it says Apply Gift Cards. Click on it. And then this interface will pop up. All you want to do is, in the card number, you have to enter your gift card number and also enter the CID number. Click on the checkbox of I'm not a robot. Once you are done, tap on Apply Gift Card. Then your gift card will be redeemed successfully and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can redeem Macy's gift card online. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for staying with us till the end.